Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by enabling developer options and turning on USB debugging. This lets Android Studio speak to the device. Once done, plug a known good data cable into the phone and your PC, cables labeled for data transfer matter. Next, confirm platform tools are installed and a DB is on your path so commands run. You do these steps first because without debugging and a working cable, Android Studio cannot detect or deploy apps. Now you're ready to move into driver and connection checks. You now handle drivers and the DB handshake. On Windows, install the OEM USB driver or the Google USB driver from SDK Manager, because without correct drivers, the OS won't expose the device. Then run a DB devices in a terminal. If the device is listed as unauthorized, accept the RSA fingerprint prompt on the phone. If it still doesn't appear, change the USB connection mode to File Transfer or MTP and rerun a DB. This often resolves enumeration problems and lets Android Studio list the device in the Run Target selector. You finish by configuring Android Studio and verifying deployment. Open Run Configurations, choose your app module, and pick the connected USB device. Then click Run to install the APK and watch Logcat for runtime messages. If installation fails, restart a DB with a DB kill server and a DB start server, switch USB ports, or try another cable because intermittent hardware is a common culprit. Finally, reboot the device and the PC if needed. These simple restarts often
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.